In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the 4 variables you're going to need to create in order to make this program work properly. The first very important step is that you need to be in the correct screen. We are going to be adding our variables to the Number Wizard screen. So make sure you are doing all this coding when you are in the Number Wizard screen. If you're not there, you're in the wrong place. These are global variables and they'll only work on the current screen that you're in. There is an orange tab where the variables hang out, and we're going to open that drawer and we're going to initialize some variables. The first variable we're going to initialize is going to be named number of guesses. Notice the way I start it with a lowercase letter, and every time I want a new word, I do something called camel case, where I make the letter of that word capitalized. I can't use spaces when making a variable name, so this is a way programmers indicate that they're separate words. I'm going to make 4 different variables. Oh, now I have to set the value. I'm going to set the value of the number of guesses initially to 0. Now I'm going to create another variable. The next variable I'm going to create is called the minimum, and as is conventional, minimum can be abbreviated to MIN, and I'm going to set this minimum value to 1 because the range of user guesses is going to be between 1 and 1,000. I'm going to initialize another variable. I'm going to initialize that to be the maximum, and I by convention can shorten maximum to max, and the maximum value that the user can select is 1,000. And last but not least, I'm going to add the computer's current guess, and I'm just going to call that variable guess. So I'm going to initialize another variable called guess, and I'm going to initialize that value to 500. Struggling a bit. There, I got it. 500. I've now initialized the 4 variables I'm going to need in my project.